How many was that?
Come back in 5 minutes.
No.
Okay.
I think 4.
That was
Let me check
four.
in with the front door team.
He's still with you.
All right.
I know.
How's all the people in the back?
My boy's there.
Oh, Imogen. How's it going?
Oh, God. Laudna, there's people. Okay, Orem's inside. I would know how many words I can say for this message.
Is this a message spell? Is this a 25 word?
I would know.
That's
There we
sending.
go.
Message doesn't really have a word limit.
It's not the
Okay.
same. It's not the same.
It's not a word, there's
the
no word
same.
limit. It just says short.
Distances.
No, short message.
Oh, short message. We're chasing after Janice. Orm's inside. And Dorian is in the front. That's all I'm saying.
It's going great. They're chasing after Dennis.
Oh.
Orem is inside. Dorian is in the front.
Send another message and ask who's chasing them and if they need any more help up there.
Oh, Imogen. Who are you chasing? Do you need any help?
What's the range on message?
I know.
120 feet.
Oh.
20.
So
Yeah,
it is
so-
Dunsky's.
Yeah. There's no response.
Reach in the first place.
Don't know. They're off living their best life.
Well, I will cast a message inside the building.
About to say.
too?
Yeah, except mine's slightly different. You'll just get a feeling of curiosity from your good old pal Fresh Cut Grass.
What? In the dark.
You basically feel like you're being watched then. Is that what that was? Like suddenly you're in the dark feeling like you've been watched. That's terrible.
Curing us now.
I send a message to Orem.
Better.
Are you well?
Yes.
Is it fun?
Less and less so.
Needs any help or anyone in there?
Do you need assistance?
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm locked inside and I can't see shit. But I think this is the plan still. And don't worry, Dorian and Belle and Imogen are out front, so they've got me covered.
Oh, he's totally out of the loop. It's quite adorable.
Wait, what do you mean he's out of the loop if he's in there alone?
Oh, he thinks his friends are still waiting out front, but they're totally gone.
We are his friends.
Oh! Are we friends?
Well, I don't know actually. Oh my God. I don't want to be presumptuous,
I'm
but I kind of
his
like.
friend.
This is at the very best at
You
this
are
point.
his friend.
Yes.
See?
Do you want to go up front and just check, or maybe I'll go with you? We can go check.
I'm gonna knock on the back door.
What?
No?
Yeah, sure.
Why don't we?
In the shadow darkness, after a stillness, you hear boom, boom, boom. A heavy.
I try just under the crack. I get down
There is
low.
no crack. It is sealed.
This back door has no crack.
Well played. Yeah, well played.
I try to just get where I think the crack is.